The plan for the day was pretty simple. Drive from Hereford to Elan Valley, and that's literally it. The weather wasn't exactly ideal, but the choice was either sitting at home watching Christmas films, I'd rather not, thanks, or go out for a drive. Needless to say, the latter was the preferred option. I can just about make out our 4 cars, but pretty much nothing ahead. Been stuck behind this lorry full of chickens for probably about 15 minutes now. I think the next small cliff I find, I might drive off it. 10 miles to Rada. We're almost there. We seem to have pulled up to a car park. We're still at the cafe. We were waiting for one more person to arrive. They ended up taking quite a while, so we went in, had a coffee, and now we're waiting for him to get some food, and then we shall depart. I hope you saw that. Well, I thought we were going in the visitor centre, but obviously not. I think we're just going to go straight up the hill. Oh, I don't know if Ben's going to be able to get in here. This is a far old curb. Hang on. I've no idea what's going on now, but it's raining quite a lot, so I'm sitting in the car in the warm. As is often the case in Wales, the weather didn't exactly improve and we all got pretty soggy. Still, Ben was happy to scoot around some roundabouts in Mexico, so swings and roundabouts. So there was a diversion in place just back there, and I don't know my way around here very well, so I'm just currently following Ben. I can't even a domestic. Ben doesn't know where he's going. Oh, we went the wrong way and now he's upset. Now, this is the correct way to go. It is muddy as tits. Ben is dodging sticks like his life depends on it and trying to do skids at the same time. And we have lost a car, so there's now 3 of us and there's supposed to be 4 of us. So all is going well. We have arrived at the final dam. This is by far the best one.
Yeah.
I got a really...
I'll have a photo shoot. That's my pose.
Yeah, and me.
Come on, you gotta be like that.
Go on, mate.
I got a really good video of you having a strop in the middle of the road when we were all following you and you were like, I don't know where to fucking go. Poor Ben.
Where did you go, Ben? What's wrong with going that way?
Jesus Christ. Current state of affairs in the boot. Sit rep, we are now going to our skid corner apparently. I think I know which one it is, it's a hairpin. Ben's going to do some skids.
Didn't lock up when
Ben, we're only joking. Calm down, take a choke
calm.
down.
I'm just saying it doesn't have
Plenty
a
of
house
tyres
got
on
ABS.
You said they were low.
If I keep doing burnouts all day, they will be low.
Not in wet. They're like new.
Alright, so I think the plan is now we're going to go to somewhere called Devil's Bridge. It's I've not been before, but apparently it's just like a fairly nice wooden bridge, good for photos. Yeah, there's absolutely no chance in hell that Ben's car is going to make it through here. This is
a bit bumpy there.
It is, yeah. He'll be scraping all the way. Apologies in advance for the poor exposure from the GoPro. I'm still rocking a 3+ black and it is absolutely ancient. I'm browsing the cesspit that is Facebook Marketplace as we speak for a worthy upgrade. Oh dear, that was a big rock. What a road! 3 BMWs in a row now. There's myself, there's the 3 Series in front, and then there's another 3 Series in front of that. We've got a 3 Series touring. Hell. Oh, it's a wee bit bumpy. Jump there. And we caught up with traffic again. We have the same 3 Series as earlier, who to be fair was going at a decent pace, and we've got a Mini who's going a bit slower. Okay, so we're going left towards Aberystwyth. Going to get food.
We're waiting for cake.
I've got wet ass, I'm sat on the way.
Don't you be trying to steal my
always
chocolate?
eat it.
Do you want some?
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
Tired. There is a bit of beach. I'm not going on that though.
No.
That looks dirty.
Not in the new traders now.
Isn't that pretty?
Dare to jump in? Dare to jump in?
I don't think I am, mate.
I'm going to have so much footage I'm going to need to cut out.
Especially the one about mate.
We're testing your skills now.
Yeah, it's going to take me ages to edit this.
Most of his video will be like beep, 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 beep.
Just censored all the way through. Hello. Hello. We're back. Look at the view. Look at all that. Look how dramatic that is. So that's pretty much it. After we'd been for food, it was a fairly slow and soggy drive home. I did record some bits and bobs, but I don't just want to put footage in the video for the sake of it being there. I want it all to be relevant and interesting. So that's about it. If you want the videos to be longer, please let me know. If they are the correct length, that's great. I won't change anything. If you want them to be shorter, I'll also give that a go. But any feedback is much appreciated. And as always, any photos that I normally take on these trips go straight on my Instagram, so that'll be up on the screen now.